Erica? Oh my God. That's the Luna of the Shadowbridge pack. Her alpha's gonna come after us. Get inside. Now. You're safe. You're safe. Zoe, the gun. We're out of bullets.
You, my Luna. The punishment?
My family needs me.
What is she?
Shadowbridge Whiskey Estate, headquarters of the pack's billion-dollar empire. Almost no humans ever make it past the gates. Never thought this would be the place I...
Move. How should I do it?
Just do it quickly. I'm begging you.
Your plea has been granted. Why the can't I her?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I was just protecting my sister.
I didn't say you could speak. Where did you get that?
I fell when I was a child.
Don't.
No, I swear.
Her scent is all over me. It distracts me from thinking straight. You'll stay here until I can figure out what you are and how I can punish you. And you'll follow my rules.
What rules?
Rules that determine whether you live or the Luna's scent. It's all over you.
A maid's uniform. Really? You just have this lying around your house? Are these even real clothes, or are these your role-playing props?
Sip it, human.
I was actually just going to ask you the same thing.
I'm not touching a servant.
You're the new maid? I'm the beta. Second in command here. For now.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Pretty little thing, aren't you? This should be fun.
Is there anything else I can do for you, sir?
Yes. Hand me the suntan lotion. No. I'm not getting my hands dirty. Rub it on. Lower. Are you deaf?
Obey.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
You broke the pack code. This is a human maid. And you defend her? Makes you look weak. I should loved you when you seduced the Luna. Beta, defy the elders, you don't have the guts. And that's just it. Your honor is your weakness.
And the Luna, she wanted somebody hard. That's why she seduced me.
Respect the code, or Arthur.
This is far from over.
What's happening to you? Rock.
Get. I should just let her drown. And this will all be over.
My scar. It's me. It's like if I don't touch him now. Why?
She's gonna be the death of me. The Luna's death has been discovered.